In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Asphalt 8 from one Android smartphone to another. Basically, if you are having multiple devices at your home and you want to install the same game on all the devices, it means you require more internet connection, because to download and install the game from Play Store, you need internet. Right, and the size of this game is more than 1 GB. As for example, if you are having 5 smartphone with you, it means you need around 5 GB of mobile data to download the game to all the devices. But the trick which I am going to show you, for this you require 0 MB of data, because you can easily transfer the game from one Android smartphone to another. For this, first of all, you need to download one simple application, and the application name is Share It, and turn on both the smartphone. Now click on Send. Select the APK file. This is Asphalt 8. Okay, and this file is not the full game. Click on Send. Here you click on Receive. Select the user, and the file will easily get transferred. Done. Now don't install the game. The second step what you have to do is you have to transfer the main file of this game. So the main file is available in File Manager. Go to Files, go to Android. Inside Android you will find Data. Inside Data, if you go down, as here you can see, it says com.gameloft.android. This is Asphalt 8 game, and the size of this file is, it is more than 2 GB. As you can see guys, the size of this file is more than 2 GB. So we have to transfer this particular file into the another smartphone. Now what we have to do is, again go to Share It, click on Send File. In this, instead of apps, select the files. From here click on internal storage. Now from here go to the file location. So it is under Android, under Data. Under Data we have our folder, that is Asphalt 8 folder. So select it from here. This is the folder. Make sure guys, you have to select the entire folder. If you open it and if you copy the data from inside, it is not going to work. So you have to select the entire folder. So selecting entire folder, to just click on this check box. Like this, it can select the entire folder of the game, and click on Send. So guys, as here you can see, the file transfer process has been successfully completed. Now what we have to do is, now the work of this phone is done. Now I will show you how to install this game in this smartphone. So before installing the game, first of all you have to move this particular folder to the required folder of this smartphone. So what we have to do is, just close it. Go to File Manager, go to Files, from the list search for Share It. Here you will find all the available files which you have transferred. So go to Files. See guys, this is the game folder, Asphalt 8. So select the folder, click on Cut, go to Android, go to Data, and paste the folder in this area. Done guys. Now the next step what you have to do is, we have to install the APK which we have transferred from the Share It. This is the APK file, right? Click on Install. Before that, make sure your internet connectivity should be turned off. click on install. Then click on open. So it requires some update. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on turn on my mobile data, and from the list click on carrier network. Enter the name. Here you can enter the age, so let me add 24. Gender is male. Click on accept. So guys, as you can see, the game has been successfully started, and I have installed this game without any internet connection, right? I mean to say I have transferred the game from my smartphone to this.